Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. If you are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get all the notifications for when I upload. In this video, I'm basically concentrating on kind of speed cleaning. I'm not doing like a deep clean or anything like that. I'm just kind of going through the house real quick and doing a little speed cleaning. Monday is usually my, bathroom cleaning day, but I had spent time over at my mom's house that weekend, and I came back home on Sunday, and I just kind of chilled and relaxed for the rest of, kind of chilled and relaxed Monday, so I really didn't do anything on Monday. So, yeah, that's kind of usually how I do it. But anyway, I just wanted to say hello to you guys, and you will hear me again at the end of the video because I am doing a cook with me. Anyway, I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Hey guys, so I thought I'd go ahead and talk to you guys now. I'm kind of towards the end of the video. Basically, this is a kind of a they cook with me, and this was on a Monday. We usually do this on a Sunday, and it's our big breakfast. But since I went to my mom's that weekend, I came back like Sunday, like around noontime. So we decided to move the big breakfast to Monday. So I am making, we make, I make what's called a stir fry or baked, not really baked, but like fried potatoes. I put it in that wok or whatever. But I peeled them, I rinsed some of them off, and then I'll be chopping them up. And you're going to see me in a little bit chopping up the potatoes. But anyway, so basically our big breakfast contains the potatoes, bacon, egg, and a waffle. And yeah, we started this tradition probably maybe 2 or 3 years ago, something like that, and we've just been doing it ever since. We just love, having breakfast. Now, we normally have it with each other, but since it's summer, my daughter really likes to sleep in a lot. So she doesn't like eat with us during the summertime. But when it gets to be back to school and start school again and all that stuff and everything like that, then she comes down there. Especially like on Sunday, she'll come downstairs and eat the breakfast with us and stuff like that. But anyway, as you can see, I am drying off the potatoes right now because they say that when you put them into the wok, it needs to be, they need to be dry or whatever and all that stuff. So as you can see, I am chopping them up into smaller pieces, and I'm using the, what's called the, I don't know exactly what you want to call it, but anyway, now I went over there to put salt into the wok or whatever. The wok over there. That way when I get done with these potatoes, I can go ahead and just pour them in there. So anyway, but as you can see, I'm just chopping up the potatoes right here, and that's what I do. I think I chopped about 6 potatoes. So and anyway, I'll be putting them into the pan over there here in a little bit. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of share a cook with me because I've never done one of those before. And so, anyway, I just thought that would be kind of cool to share that experience with you guys and everything. I've often thought about doing take you guys shopping with me because it's all 3 of us that go together, me, my husband, and my daughter. We just go with each other and get it done. And as you can see, I put a little bit of salt in there. I thought I already did that, but I guess I didn't. So I was putting a little bit more salt in there, and I'm fixing to put the bacon into the Salad Master grill thingy that we have right there. So anyway, so I didn't talk into the camera because I was just like kind of really into it, all that stuff, just trying to go ahead and get it done. So I didn't talk into the camera. So I thought I would do like a voiceover of me doing the breakfast. But anyway, yeah, so I was putting the 4 pieces of bacon into the deal right there and all that stuff. And I had to open up a new package because we didn't have 4 pieces in the other deal. So I had to open up a new package and all that stuff. But anyway, so now I'm coming back over here and I'm seeing what the temperature is on that. And I'm fixing to put the potatoes in there. So you're fixing to see me putting the potatoes in there in just a second. I'm trying to talk a little bit. There, you see right there? And I'm fixing to put them into there. Yeah, I was trying to wait till the oil kind of got hot. So that way when I put them in there and all that stuff, it'll start really cooking right away and all that stuff. But anyway, as you can see, I am sauteing them. And that's the reason why I put salt into the, what's called oil. So that way I don't have to do add a whole lot to it after I put the potatoes in there and all that stuff. And that's sea salt that I use, and I was just showing you guys it was sea salt. But anyway, as you can see, I am stirring them up and everything like that. And then the next thing I do, I start making the eggs and all that stuff, and have an egg with the meal right there. So anyway, It's just you can see me cracking up the eggs and all that. So that's what I'm doing. And I literally had to start it all over again because my egg cracked and I didn't want it to be a cracked egg and all that stuff. So I had to kind of start over again. But anyway, that's okay. But as you can see, I'm cracking the egg right there. And yeah, then after this, I start on my waffles. So I kind of go in like a little bit of an order there and all that stuff. Anyway, I hope you guys, it's like there's still like 2 minutes left and everything like that. So I'll probably just play like a music or a song or whatever and all that stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration. And you know, just like I said, I thought I would just provide some like new content that's different and everything like that. Anyway, hope you like, share, comment, do all the things. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.